How to log in MetaTrader 5 account. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to log in MetaTrader 5 account. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, open Play Store or App Store depending upon your device and install MetaTrader 5 Forex stocks application on your device. Tap Open button to launch the MetaTrader 5 application. Tap three-line icon at top left corner of the screen on the Code section. Select Get Started at top of the screen. Now select the plus button at top right corner of the screen. Tap Find Broker option at top of the screen in order to find your broker. Or if you wish to log into your demo account, then tap on MetaCodes Ltd. You will reach on the section where you can easily open a demo account if you haven't yet to learn trading and to test your strategies. But if you already have a demo account, you can easily log into an existing account by entering your login information, password, the server, and if you wish to save the password, you can easily check mark the option. But if you forget the password, tap on Forget Password link underneath Save Password and tap Login button to log into your MetaTrader 5 account. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.